Looking to save money on gas in the Chicagoland area? A hybrid BMW from Patrick BMW could be the perfect solution. BMW's advanced hybrid technology combines a fuel-efficient gas engine with an electric motor, helping you use less fuel, especially in stop-and-go traffic in the Chicagoland suburbs. On shorter drives, many BMW plug-in hybrid vehicles rely on electric power alone, meaning fewer trips to the pump. And if you want the perfect mix of luxury and efficiency, check out the BMW X5 iDrive 50e. This plug-in hybrid SUV offers impressive all-electric driving for daily commutes, plus the power and space you expect from a BMW X5, making it ideal for both city driving and weekend getaways. And when you need more performance, the gas engine seamlessly takes over, so you never have to worry about range. The result? Lower fuel costs, less trips to the pump, and a smarter way to drive in Illinois. Visit Patrick BMW to explore a lineup of hybrid BMW models and start saving on gas today.